In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw on your screen in OBS Studio using the OBS Draw plugin. This tutorial will guide you through the process in just a few minutes, making it an excellent way to enhance your live streams or recordings with real-time annotations. Whether you're a teacher, a gamer, or someone who's into live demonstrations, being able to draw directly on your screen can offer significant benefits. Now, let's dive right in. First, you need to visit the official GitHub page. On this site, you'll find the OBS Draw plugin, a handy tool that lets you sketch directly onto your screen. This plugin is particularly useful for adding visual cues or explanations while you're streaming or recording. Once you're on the GitHub page, you'll want to look for the latest release of the downstreamkeyer.zip file. This file contains everything you need to add the drawing functionality to your OBS Studio setup. Download the downstreamkeyer.zip file. After you download, you'll have to unzip this file onto your computer. It's a straightforward process, but if you're new to unzipping files, simply right-click on the downloaded file and select the Extract All option. Choose a destination folder where you'll easily find the extracted files later on. Next, it's time to integrate these files into your OBS Studio. Open the folder where you have unzipped the download and locate the files. You need to copy these files into your OBS Studio plugins directory. Navigate to where OBS Studio is installed on your computer. Typically, this is within your program files, but it could vary based on your custom settings. Once you've found your OBS Studio folder, locate the plugins folder inside it and paste the unzipped files there. After you've successfully copied the files into the plugins directory, restart OBS Studio. Restarting might seem like a minor step, but it ensures that OBS Studio can properly load the newly added plugin. Once OBS is up and running again, you should see the OBS Draw plugin available among your sources. To start drawing, just add the downstream keyer as a source. You'll notice options like setting the brush size and color, plus there's an eraser tool if you need to make quick corrections or change your mind about something you've drawn. Play around with these settings until they fit your specific needs. And that's it. You're now set to creatively engage with your audience using the drawing capabilities in OBS Studio. Don't hesitate to experiment with these new tools. Drawing directly on your screen offers a dynamic and interactive way to communicate your ideas, making your content more engaging and easier to understand. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you next time.